Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today, this vlog is about a complete tutorial on how to clean a prawn and process it for the week. I hope this vlog is going to be a very helpful session for all of us who love prawn. I don't prefer eating prawn outside, and I do prefer cleaning it myself and process it in a way that it is very hygiene. So please do not skip the video, watch until the end. So this is 1 kg of prawn. I've taken 2 vessels to use when I clean it and a cover to put the waste. So let's get started. I have taken a scissors and a knife. Cut the tail, cut the prawn's head, its legs. Totally 3 steps. Cut the head, tail and its legs. Once you do these 3 steps, the skin will be easily removed. Remove it manually, completely, and cut on its back and into its stomach. A slight cut, you can see the black thread, remove it. The same way for the other prawn. Cut the head, its tail, its legs. Once you do these 3 steps, the skin will easily be removed. So once you remove the skin completely, cut on its back and on its stomach to remove the black thread. That is all. So cutting on its stomach, removing the black thread, on its back, remove the black thread. That is all. After cleaning the parts, we have to wash our hands thoroughly with a soap. Once that's done, wash the knife and the scissors which you used to clean the prawn. Put the waste in a second cover and keep it aside. Throw it then and there. Do not keep the waste inside the house. It's not hygienic. After washing the prawn thoroughly, add 2 tablespoons of turmeric and 1 tablespoon of salt. Wash it thoroughly. Wash the other vessel. Clean the sink. Transfer it. Wash the other vessel with soap, and then we'll be transferring the prawn to the washed vessel. Clean the place with the soap, brush it well. Washing the tools again with the soap. Wash the prawn again. Wash it twice thoroughly. Wash your hands with the soap finally. Drain the water. Wash it. Drain the water. So it's time to pre-process the prawn. So we have to marinate it before we keep it in the freezer. I've taken 4 teaspoons of red chili powder, 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder and 1 tablespoon of salt. Mix the masala with a little bit of water. Let it come to this consistency so that we can apply it on the prawn. Mix it well. So I am segregating it into 3 parts. So 3 portions of prawn. I've taken 3 boxes. A small box for breakfast recipes and the other 2 for the meals. In the upcoming of the video, I'll be sharing you the recipes now. Do not skip the video, watch until the end. It is the healthy way to make prawn at home. So let's get started. 3 days what I made. I'm going to make carrot curry for the lunch as a side dish. So let's see how I make it with prawn. It'll be more tastier. 2 medium-sized onion, finely chopped. Fry it with oil, some salt. Let it get cooked. I'm adding some prawn. Mix it well. That's 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste with green chilies. Give a good mix, let it get soft, and then add finely chopped tomatoes. After it is cooked well, add the masalas. Turmeric powder, red chili powder and coriander powder. Give a good mix. After it is well cooked, we're adding finely chopped carrot. Give a good mix. Close the lid and let it get cooked for some time. Add some water. Adding some coriander leaves. It's 2 tablespoons of coconut paste. It is optional, but it will be more tastier. Transfer it to the pressure cooker. Cook it until 1 whistle in a low flame. Making a simple omelette for the side dish. So the lunch is ready. You can see it. The portion of rice is less when compared to the portion of veggies I have taken as side dish. So for the prawn curry I have taken onion, ginger garlic and green chili. I will grind it, and some ginger garlic and green chilies to make the paste for the week. I've added some oil. I've added the paste which I have ground. Some salt added. Give a good mix. 1 large size tomatoes puree. Add it, give a good mix, let it get cooked. Add some masala, red chili powder, turmeric powder and some cinnamon powder. Finally add prawn. Mix it. Finally, handful of coriander leaves. Give a good mix, let it get cooked well, close the lid and let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Added few drops of olive oil at the end. Give a mix. I have ground the ginger garlic and green chili paste for the week. Transfer it to the container and close the lid. So the curry is ready. It looks delicious. So that was my breakfast. I have taken oats, almonds, raisins and some cashews along with a dried fig. Adding hot milk to it, let it get soaked for 2 to 3 minutes. And that's ready to serve. It's delicious, it's a healthy breakfast, it is a good filling. On the day 3, I decided to prepare prawn macaroni. Prawn is usually a good flavor which makes the dish delicious. So that's 2 cardamom I've added to the olive oil, some cinnamon powder, 2 medium size onion finely chopped. Give a good mix, add some salt and some prawn. Let the onion get cooked well. Now we'll be adding prawn, few slices of prawn. Give a mix. One tablespoon of ginger garlic green chili paste. Cook well. Add finely chopped tomatoes. After get cooked for some time, add some masala, red chili powder and a turmeric powder. Some mint leaves added. Mix it and close the lid. That 2 tablespoons of curd is added. Give a good mix and finally add coriander leaves at the end. Once the masala is cooked, add water. The water ratio for the macaroni is 2:2. If you use 2 cups of macaroni, add 2 cups of water. I've added 4 cups of water for 4 cups of macaroni. You can add half more cup if you want a loose consistency. Transfer it to the pressure cooker. Cook it until one whistle in a low-medium flame. So my daughter woke up when I was preparing macaroni. She just came and sat near. She asked me the dua, which has to be recited in the early morning. I was telling her and she was repeating it. And the next is the meal on that day I prepared. The same recipe which I used for carrot is the same which I made for beetroot. Just an alternative. Instead of carrot, we are adding beetroot. If you find this video useful, please do like and share it. Give a try at home with different recipes that can be cooked at home. Please do not prefer to have prawn outside like a restaurant or fast food, because prawn is something we can be cooked at home. And hygiene and health is very important than taste. Though we have different recipes to be cooked at home with tasty and yummy flavors. After cooking the beetroot, I transferred the macaroni to a hot pack and rinsed the vessel and reused the vessel to cook beetroot. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe to my channel and click it on the bell icon so that you will be getting notification when I upload a new video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.